This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, June 16th, 2015. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. Pretty much a zonal flow from west to east across the country. We have a disturbance, now a Tropical Storm Bill, moving into the Texas Gulf Coast. That's going to be streaming a lot of moisture into the southern part of the country and into the Midwest. But today around the state, it will not be raining. It will not be cloudy. There will be some clouds around, but it'll be mainly sunny today. Drier air and highs in the 70s to near 80. Unfortunately, a storm system over the plains today will be moving in our direction. You can see the GFS is being fairly lackadaisical with the moisture around here. Can't rule out an isolated shower or storm. There will be a little bit of sunshine here and there, but the moisture from what would be the remnants of Bill will be moving through the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Be moving into Missouri here on Thursday with a frontal system coming in. That could enhance the rain showers and thunderstorms, especially in Missouri. Now, if the system were to move a little further to the north, that could enhance the rain showers in at least the southeastern part of the state. You can see there's still going to be chances of rain here and there through the rest of the week and into the weekend, although the GFS is being a little bit drier with this run, but we can't really rule it out. We have another system moving in as we move toward the weekend. Still could have a threat of some showers and storms around, but we'll have some sunshine and some dry periods with highs in the 70s and 80s, depending on how much sunshine we get and how much humidity we could see as well. You can see as we go into Sunday, showers and thunderstorms are still possible. The remnants of Bill by this point will be moving off the east coast. You can see that just off of Cape Cod, moving into the North Atlantic. And then finally, as we move into Monday of next week, it looks to be drying out and maybe cooling off a little bit as most of the shower and thunderstorm activity moves into the Ohio River Valley, the Mid-South, and up into the eastern Great Lakes in New England. So it looks like we could have several days of some wet weather. Going into next Tuesday, though, you can see a 594 circle over Oklahoma, Texas, and New Mexico. That's a heat ridge, and that's going to be building into the area as we move toward the early part of the extended period, but we're still on the northern periphery of that, and that means we're in the ring of fire, so showers and thunderstorms are still possible. Although timing is different, the strength could be different, the ridge could be building further to the north, and that could warm us up and keep us drier, so there's still a lot of fluidness in this weather pattern. Even going into the extended period on June 27th, now we see the ridge building up into the west again, where they exactly do not need heat. And right now they need water, and they need it badly, especially in California, the south and west. They're not going to get a whole lot down there. They're going to get a lot of it in the Ohio River Valley, the Tennessee River Valley, the middle Mississippi River Valley, where they're going to get dumped on from the remnants of Bill later this week. And even as we go into the 1st of July, this is a very atypical pattern for the 1st of July. A big trough with a big vortex over southern Canada, south of James Bay near the Great Lakes. This puts us in a north to northwesterly flow. This is going to keep the temperatures below average for the first part of July, maybe seeing 70s for highs when the typical average would be in the 80s. Any rain would be to the south and to the east, but of course this is the extended period and could be gone in the next run. And even the satellite image from last evening shows you can see the little disturbance off the Texas Gulf Coast, which is Tropical Storm Bill, and the moisture streaming off of that into the Midwest and the Great Lakes. And a system over Montana, Wyoming is the system we're going to have to watch later in the week. Flash flood watches across a large portion of the country: Texas, Oklahoma, the Rockies, the Great Lakes, heat advisories in the southeast and southwest. And when we look at the QPF chart, you're going to see why. This is rainfall through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock. A lot of rain across the Texas, Oklahoma, back into the Great Lakes. Around here, we'll see a little bit, maybe a half an inch to 1 inch, but this could be heavier if we see some remnants of Bill.